Everybody, Dave Raw, D-Dog. D-Dog. For Dynamic Rainmakers, it's the 21st of October, Friday. Well, things have changed. I'm not doing the contract for Lab Logistics or Antec anymore. They decided to change how they're approaching things. At least that's what they say. So that contract has kind of gone away for me. You can tell it's kind of daylight right now. I'm not doing my nightly runs anymore, but I am in the process of trying to get something else going. I'm trying to make a decision whether or not just to take off the rest of the winter, because when we have winter here, it gets really cold and dark. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. Yes, I'm still looking for a cargo van. That's an option. I might expand out into some other areas. They're still courier-like, but they're more limited expediting, but local and regional type of work. So yeah, things changed. They didn't really give me much of a notice. There was one night I had to take off, and it was unanticipated, and I think they got upset about that, and that's what happens with these things. They said I could still contact them to see if there were any other routes, but that seems unlikely because they took me off of this one. So taking kind of a break, trying to reassess and take it from there, because there's still a lot of options out there, and I know there are a lot of groups that still need drivers. It's a thing that doesn't stay very sedentary for a while. They're changing drivers all the time. People get into it, they don't like it. But when I'm looking back over my time, I was with them for about a year, it looks like. So that's not too bad. And I'll be contacting my other groups to see if they need overnight or weekend runs. I can still do that, and we'll see what happens. I'm not going to stop my little vlogs. I'm going to keep you appraised of what's going on, and they may not be as regular, maybe not weekly, but that's the way it goes with this business, and I'm going to keep moving forward. So I hope you guys have a good weekend and keep rolling out there. Bye.